So I have looked at this question. First of all, read the question carefully. A bob of mass m is suspended at point O by a large spring of length L left to perform vertical motion. Initially, by applying a horizontal velocity V naught at that point A, the string becomes slack. So when we apply V naught velocity at point A, the string becomes slack when the bob reaches at the point D. Now where is like point D? Point D is here. And if you down just like this, okay, like this. Point two, this is A, this is B, and this is C. Clear? Now this is you can mark also like this. So at A we are giving the velocity like this. V naught is going to be like this, 60 degree, like this. Yeah. Now you can find this. This is L. This is L cos 60 means L by 2. This is also L by 2. Similarly here, this is L by 2. This is also L by 2. Okay. Now we need to find simply like the concept you should know. Here string becomes slack. The condition is given in this question that here string becomes slack. Slack means tension becomes zero. Okay. Tension becomes zero. Slack means tension becomes zero. And it is possible when this V naught is root 5 GL. Here velocity is root 5 GL. And what is the velocity at point D? Is root GL. Root GL. Now accordingly, we will solve. Now it is very easy question. Apply conservation of energy at point in A and B. Take this is your A is your reference point. Okay, reference. Keep it reference. Okay, reference. So at A, total energy at A is equal to total energy at there is no friction. Only conservative force are there. So a half m d square is equal to kinetic energy at B like this. Potential energy at B mg it is going up. So mg L by 2. Clear? Now you can solve how much kinetic energy at B 5 mgl by 2 minus mgl by 2. Okay, so it will be how much? 2 mgl. Clear? Now, what next? We will apply conservation of energy in between C and D. So consider C as your reference point. This is your reference. Reference means like foundation. Okay, simple like while solving like when you send a particle from Earth to a certain height, then we are taking surface of Earth as a reference or datum line. Okay, so they are like what is it like potential energy is zero because there is no height reference line. So it would be C and D. Kinetic energy at C, potential energy is at C is equal to kinetic energy at D plus potential energy at D. So this is zero. Kinetic energy at C we need to find like this. Kinetic energy at G half m velocity how much? Root GL. It's like this square potential energy mg L by 2. Clear? So mg L by 2 plus mg L by 2 mg L. So kinetic energy at C we got what they are saying, the ratio of kinetic energy of the bomb at B and C. So at B and C you can there ask the ratio like this. So in JEE they are merely checking your conceptual clarity. You learn derivation, okay? You have learned a derivation, everything you did. They will not ask. They will ask question from the middle on. They will you want to check your concept in JEE. Understood? So which option is correct? Option. Yeah. Thank you so much. Any doubt? Anytime you can ask. You are most welcome. Like yes, you are my family. I consider you are my family. Okay. You just ask anytime. You have my number or not? I don't. Any information which you want. Any doubt like you want personally, you can pin 952061979. Okay. So once again, thank you so much. It's a lot.